Hello there guys, this is a very special unboxing today. As you can see, we have the S20 Plus 5G. Samsung has just released their S20 series of devices, and this is sort of the middle tier. Last year we had the S10, the S10 Plus, and then a cheaper version which was the S10e. This time there is no E version, there is just the flagship line, and there is the extra Ultra on top, making this the center model of the three. So we have the regular S20 with a 6.2-inch display. We have the S20 Plus with a 6.7-inch display, and we have the S20 Ultra with a 6.9-inch display. Now I'm very excited to open this, so let's do that right now. I'm just going to get my handy knife. Be careful, kids, with knives. Please get a parent to open it for you. You do not want to cut yourself when using a knife. So just have the single tab here on the side. There's no plastic on the outside, which means they're being more thoughtful about the environment. And let's just put the box upside down like this and just drag the knife right through. Easy as that. Right then, let's turn it back upright and do the big reveal. Now, it's like every other ordinary phone box where you just lift. And there's the phone itself. Now I have the cloud blue colour, and I'm very excited now to see this in person because it looks absolutely gorgeous. Put the box down there. This is going to get very fingerprinty very quickly. Wow. The first thing I notice is the weight, because I'm coming from a regular Galaxy S10. That colour is absolutely gorgeous. And I mean, the camera module is, of course, a lot larger than the S10, but overall, I'm very impressed, and it looks awesome. It looks so nice. Now, on this versus the S10 and previous Samsung phones, there is no longer a headphone jack. So on the bottom, you can see here, there is no audio jack. There's just a microphone and a speaker. On the front, there is a significantly smaller camera hole. I don't know if my camera is going to focus, unfortunately, but there you can see it there in the light. It's tiny. I'll show you my S10, which is what I'm coming from, and that's your size comparison there. So overall, it is about the same width, but is a little bit taller. And then, of course, the camera module is significantly larger on the S20 Plus. In terms of the thickness, it is pretty thick, but that's because it's housing a 4500 milliamp battery. This only has a 3400, and I'm really noticing that weight there. The weight is pretty drastic, but that color though is really nice, and it translates onto the frame. The frame has a slight blue tinge to it, but nothing substantial. The metal frame itself is a little bit slimmer than previous versions, and the glass curves a little bit further around the edges, and there is less curve to the display as there was previously. One of the things I did notice on the back is that the camera bump is significantly larger than on the S10. On the S10 it's almost flush, but that doesn't really matter as I'm going to be putting a case straight on this anyway. I only have it out of a case to show you guys. So let's put that to the side and see what else is in the box. So it looks like we do have some paperwork. Now last time the paperwork was on top of the phone. This time it's below the phone. So that's not paperwork, that's just a flap. We have got a USB-C to USB-C cable. And as I'll show you now, the charging brick itself, instead of USB-A like before, it's now USB-C, USB-C everything. Thank you, Samsung. So that's fantastic. Living the USB-C life here. One cable for everything, Apple. We do have some braided AKG headphones. These do look to be pretty much the same as the previous ones that came with the S10, although we have also got a USB-C connection because, like you saw earlier, this phone has no headphone jack. But of course I don't mind because I've been using wireless headphones for quite some time now, so that is not a big downfall to me. And that is everything in the box. In addition to those headphones, we do have some replaceable ear tips. So if the size is not good enough for you, then you can change the size. You can make them smaller or you can make them larger. I believe the ones that are already placed on them are the medium size. I am very hyped for this phone, and like I say, I will update you guys on how I get on. So thank you very much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and comment if you want to, and I will see you in the next video. This has been Meridian Apurture. Thank you very much for watching.